How's it going, everyone? This is Nate with Dubs Cards, opening up 4 packs of 91 Donruss for your viewing pleasure. Looking for the elite, looking for anything that we find interesting. Starting off with Cal Daniels, Jeff Blauser, Jeff King, Roberto Alomar, Greg Riley, Bob Boone, Hal Morris, Dave Vale, Brian Harper, Greg Maddux, great pitcher there, Bryn Smith, Dave Bergman, Luis Rivera, Jose Uribe, and Robin Yount. All right, on to pack 2. I've been trying to make these videos just a hair shorter because there's not a lot really to look at on these. We're just kind of looking for some quick key players. Paul Molitor, Kevin Morton, Jeff Ballard, Greg Gagne, Derek Bell, Fernando Venezuela, Bob Welch, Greg Lipton, Dickie Thon. All right, halfway through this rip, 91 Donruss. Drop a like and a comment below. It really helps the channel. I just want to keep growing the channel, keep opening up stuff. Dwayne Ward, Shane Mack, Dave Smith, The Juice, Brooke Jacoby. Another Andre the Hawk Dawson. That's the second one we've pulled out of this box. Spike Owen, Mark Lewis, Bobby Bonilla. All right, on to our last pack here of this 4-pack opening up series. Series 1, 91 Donruss. Moises Alou, Lee, QB, Tommy, Greg, George Brett. He's a great player. Dave Righetti, Oral Hershiser, Jim, Mark, Ryan Sandberg, highlight card. That's a good one. And no checklist out of this 4-pack. That's a bummer. But drop a like and a comment below if you see what you like. And this is Nate with Dubs Cards. Over and out.